Hi, it's Tom Bowley here from the Property Centre, and today we're on Highworth Road in St Anne's, and we're at this beautifully presented 2 double bedroom Victorian terrace. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.